Acholi superstars in the entertainment industry are fighting for trust and fairness, pushing for a stop to dealings with crooks who only seeks personal gain. Gilbert Olanya, MP for Kilak South and a supporter of Northern Uganda artists, reveals that some individuals have introduced ideas that seem to benefit only them.
Sylvia told us clearly during the meeting that the first money that came, you the artist, you agreed that few individuals, for example, you accepted that solo should start a bar. She told us clearly, that was Sylvia telling us in the meeting, that you the artist, you accepted in Acholi, that solo should start a bar. Motanga should open up a coffee something. Romeo has now started some business. And the money that comes as an example for the progress of artists should be channeled and boost those businesses.
He demands clarity from Bakoko Bakoro, former Minister for Gender, Labor and Social Development.
We need to clarify it very well and we move together. Because she told us in the meeting, and she was very proudly explaining to Saleh how the progress is being done. So let us be transparent and help each other. Let me finish. Let me finish.
Bakoko responded stating that a few individuals were targeting Murphy's Law.
I think she was talking about Murphy's. That place you said was smaller than your own. She said when they started Murphy's and launched it as a committee, that is what happened. Those were the things they decided for Murphy's. That Mutanga would do coffee during the launch and going forward, and that Solo would be doing the bar, and that somebody would be doing the food.
Romeo food and something.
Yeah, because no
Ice
cream, because Romeo does not deal with alcohol because he's born again. And they say that's how they will raise their money by people coming. If they have programs, they will hire. Like you could do that to your own place, hire it and to raise money. That is the kind of thing she was talking about.
The Murphy's launch issue has sparked tensions among artists. On Tuesday, Judah Rap Knowledge, a non-hip-hop star fighting for artists' right, claimed that his photo was used for a show without his permission.
Anyone better Jimmy, tiki down the bongate, tiki down the bongate, tiki chalpa down the bongate, where one is your lobbying, pibeu, miru, chopeka money, pebe.
And this is how some individuals began conning money from General Salim Saleh.
Jamushan, wound magangi, umiro gake, una dia money, uti king down the jump session, so Max Yeladano, which while me lobbying Sony, oh, and Bobbertier, or been aware of a bottle, ginta water bear, none. Go bar. Kila la gojo money mage me transport money biro me perform chip file lo kata oh koro girango anta mero girango mare time koro Salim Saleh koro mero mege human ke ota human ke wino doge.